It tastes insane. I'm currently sitting on my closet floor because I was picking out an outfit and I thought I should check in with you guys. I think I just filmed a little bit of my morning. So tonight I am going to MSG. My friends and I are seeing Sabrina Carpenter, who I adore and think she's so talented, and I'm just so excited. I feel like with that being said, it's the perfect time to introduce today's sponsor, which is SeatGeek. But if you don't know what SeatGeek is, which I'm sure you do, it has over 35 million downloads and it's the #1 rated ticketing app. It just makes purchasing tickets really easy. Their app is amazing and very user-friendly, and basically you just go on. Actually, I'll show you. It knows I'm in New York, and then it's giving me a bunch of concerts or sports or whatever you're into. I love live music, so let's see concerts. For example, Lady Gaga, Madison Square Garden. She's dope. So that's March 19th, so you can click it and then it will give you a rating 1 through 10. So you can see what's great and then what's not so good. So look for the green, that means it's good. Red means bad. And it's just really convenient. You get the best deals. I also feel like with the holiday season just around the corner, giving the gift of a ticket is a great idea. So you guys can use my code Olivia Jade to get 10% off your SeatGeek tickets. I'll have the link in my description box. Whoa, look at all the dust flying around. I need to pick out an outfit, but make sure to click the link in my description box to download the app and have the code automatically added to your account so you can use it later. And once again, code Olivia Jade, 10% off your SeatGeek tickets. I think that's all. I'm so excited. I haven't been to a concert in so long also. It's so much fun. I think I'll see you in a little bit when I'm getting ready. Let's go to the concert. Say hey to my YouTube vlog.
Can it see?
Hey! I think.
Is it the new phone?
I have you on 0.5. We're going to Sabrina.
But it's dark.
I can see you. Good morning. I literally just woke up. The thing about this video is it was supposed to come out weeks ago because, well, why? Hasn't it? It was meant to come out ages ago and it has not because I edited it for hours and hated it. I thought it was boring and dumb. So we're back for round 2. I'm gonna film my full day in the life and just what I get up to, my work day, everything of that sort. I do have a little bit of a busy day. I'm trying not to look at my phone for ever. I don't want to speak about it and then not do it. But I also feel like if I speak about it, I will do it. So I'm gonna speak about it. Today is my day 1 of my new life. Okay. And what that means is I've decided I'm taking it upon myself to really change the way I exist in the world for my own personal benefit, like the scrolling on the phone. That's pretty much the only thing I want to change, actually. The rest I'm pretty pleased with. The scrolling, it's the constant scrolling. It just cannot be good for you. So I'm making some new rules in this household. So anyway, I thought today would be a nice day to just bring you along with me. I want to show you what I eat in a day, how I train, how I move. Train, that sounded really aggressive. I just want to show you like a little day in my life. Living in New York, being 26. I should make my whole series called 20 Sexy in the City. Should I? Oh, another thing I'm gonna start trying is to eat before I have my caffeine, but I have a ripping headache right now. I'm walking down the street. I want to buy almond milk at this shop near me. It's my special barista matcha almond milk. I think the sun's coming out, so it would be good to get some sunlight on the face. It's so weird I haven't had caffeine yet. New me. This is my outfit. Doesn't look the prettiest, but I just added like 15 grams of protein with the protein powder. I think you have to get this protein powder. It's just like delicious and tastes like vanilla cake. Going to Pilates. We're switching to my phone, but this is essential in the routine these days, is a good mid-morning Pilates. I've honestly gotten a lot of work done this morning. I was editing, answered some emails for my own brand. Okay, let's go. So as you saw, I walked to Happier Grocery after Pilates, and now I've just been sitting, editing. I'm about to walk down the street and drop off my dry cleaning, and then probably come back and edit more and plan what I'm filming tomorrow. And then this weekend, I'm staying at the Greenwich Hotel with Michael Kors for a night. I just do, in like my longer deal with them, I just have a few like hotel visits where we create content at a hotel, and it's like cute and fun. So probably get a massage. And then also tonight at 7, I have dinner with my agent Hannah, so I'll bring you guys. I guess I'm just checking in. I don't really have much to say. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Good. I'm back. I dropped my dry cleaning off. I want to open these packages, and then we're making an Instagram recipe that I saw, and I'm so excited. Hey, boo-boo. What happened? Oh, you saw him?
Such a body.
He's so cute, but apparently a raging asshole. I got some books. This is all contributing to my new persona. What I'm filling my time with when I don't know what to do. And there are just certain things I feel like I don't know enough about. Art being one of them. I would like to be more well-versed on the art world. So I got a book all about art. And I feel like this is a great idea for me. I'm not opening the rest of my packages because I don't want to. I love it. You're not allowed to judge my wrinkled apron. Look how cute this pop socket is. Somebody made it for me. You know what this means. Let's make a matcha and then I'll bring you through my day. Beautiful outside. Can't even believe it. Today is a fun day. I have a good friend's movie premiere in the city. I'll try and vlog a little bit if I remember. I'm not the best at remembering, but we'll try. I have Pilates at 10:30. I also gave up on the whole no drinking caffeine before food because sometimes I'm not hungry in the mornings and it's just too hard. I also feel like Matcha is fine. I could be making that up, but it feels so gentle to me that, I don't know. I also put milk in the matcha, so I'm like, that's substance of some sort, no? I have no idea. This blanket company called Lola Blankets sent me 2 massive blankets, and it's genuinely the softest thing I've ever felt. It's amazing. I slept with one, and then this one I put on my couch. I'm making a yogurt bowl before Pilates. I put my big coat on even though it's probably hot. Going to Pilates. Okay, here are my updates. I did Pilates. I walked to the grocery store, got some lunch, ate the banana bread I made yesterday. Now I'm waiting for my glam team to arrive.
I never said smart.
Say hi, vlog. We're reclined and the movie hasn't started. Please don't hate me. I did such a bad job at filming that premiere. It's the next day. Just woke up and did some makeup for a brand deal. I think I should end this video so I can upload it right now because I haven't posted on YouTube in so long and I miss you guys and I really need to get better about it. But the good news is I do have some sponsorships upcoming on YouTube, which I like because it holds me accountable to post. I love y'all. Thank you for watching and I'll see you probably next week because I think that's when my next video has to go up. Sorry, I suck at filming.